everybody, and welcome to Flight Sim. Oh crap, the volume was on. I didn't realize that. No, don't. Okay, there we go. I'm in Illinois. We're in Illinois, United States. Somebody reviewed that the game crashed when you took off. I remember I made a new update video on this game. That was when this update came out in August. Now, some people haven't played this game before. Guys, I remember last year, this game was a lot better, you know? Like, it didn't say United States and all that. It was a lot different. We didn't just say that. I just flew over a highway. I swear, if I look at the scenery on images and it's actually all this stuff, like these buildings are actually real, I swear. Just imagine being on this road and seeing a jet doing this. Right? Now we saw an ERJ thing. ERJ 200. Look it up if you don't know what it is. Okay. Flat. Okay, we lost all engines. We're going down. Okay, guys. We've got to get as close to a breakthrough as we can. To get as high as we can, guys. And that might have actually been the bad idea. Okay, we got a little engine power from engine number 1. Not gonna do it. We might have to pull a Southern 242. Nope, we're gonna land in a field. Landing in the field. Landing in the field. Landing in the field. Good job. Stuck the landing. Oh, successful emergency landing. As soon as we stop, I'm gonna... going like 12 kilometers an hour. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.